hose that you can buy at Lowe's. I think I bought this at Lowe's not too long ago. And it's vinyl tubing. It's, for those of you who might be interested, it's 3/8 inch inside diameter. But basically, when you take a mouthpiece and you put it in a length of tubing, it'll resonate on certain notes, and I'll show you how that works. Here's a mouthpiece alone. But when you put it in a piece of tubing, it comes out about like this. And then what this is just a plastic funnel, but this is just like the bell on the brass instrument. And what this is like a megaphone. It actually takes that same sound and makes it louder. Now that's basically the mechanics in playing a brass instrument or any instrument that uses a mouthpiece. You have the mouthpiece. Which actually makes it louder so that the sound projects a longer distance.